Hi everyone. We have the 13th lesson for permutation and combination. This is the second video for permutation properly. Permutation notation says NPR, which is read as N permutation R. Okay. Once you see NPR, but the calculator, it appears like this. Yeah, the calculator, it appears as if NRP, they are just at the same level. So once you see this one in your calculator button, NPR, it means N permutation R. NCR, it means N combination R. But now we are dealing with permutation. Okay. Permutation is all about arrangement, arranging objects, arranging items. Okay. But the formula says N permutation R is N factorial over this N takes the top factorial N minus R, N minus R factorial. This is all about permutation formula. So the first one is to find 15 permutation 3. We want to find 15 permutation 3. Okay. For 15 permutation 3, look at the formula here. This takes the numerator place. So 15 goes at the top. For the denominator, N minus R. Look at it here. N minus R. N minus R. So 50 minus 3. 50 minus 3. So after several practices, you don't even need to write it 50 minus 3. You can just look at it and say 15 minus 3, 12. You write 12, no problem. So this is the same as 15 factorial over 15 minus 3 is 12 factorial. So what do? We expand the one at the top until we see this. 15 factorial is 15 times 14 times 13 times 12. We have the right to stop anywhere, but because of the nature of the problem we are solving, we stop at this 12. So we indicate factorial. You forget to indicate the factorial, automatically you are wrong. And marks will be awarded for the steps that you've covered, but you'll not be able to get a complete mark. So over 12 factorial. So this takes away this, leaving what? 15 times 14 times 13. 15 times 13 times 14. 15 times 14 times 13. So it gives 2730. 2730. Okay. The second one asks us to find 6 permutation 4. 6 permutation 4. Look at the formula here. N permutation R is this one. So this N, you can see it here with a factorial. So here again, 6 at the top with a factorial. N minus R, you can see it here with a factorial. N minus R, N minus R. So 6 minus 4 factorial. So at the top is 6 factorial. 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial. So what do? We expand this until we see this one. 6 factorial is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 over 2 factorial. All right. So this one takes away this. So we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 times 3 is 360. Okay. So now, if you want to copy, just pause the video, then you copy. Okay. So now we go to number 3. Three says 30 permutation 2 plus 20 permutation what? 2. All right. So because this 130 permutation 2, according to the formula, is 30 factorial over 30 minus 2 factorial. Here again, 20 factorial. This takes the top. This takes the top, but with a factorial. So 20 minus 2. So 30 factorial over 30 minus 2 is 28 factorial. So 20 factorial, 20 minus 2 is 18 factorial. Okay, we expand it, this one until we see this. So 30 factorial is 30 times 29 times 28 over 28 factorial. We expand this until we see this. 20 times 19 times 18 over 18 factorial. Don't be fast enough and forget to indicate. You see, I just said it and forget the factorial. So 28 factorial takes away this. This one takes away this. So now 30 times 29, 3 times 9, 27, 3 times 2, 6, 87, 870. So 20 times 19 is 380. Yeah. So 870, 380 is 1250. So this is 1250. I hope it is clear. Okay. So now we need the fourth one, the last one. Okay. The fourth one says 25 permutation 3 minus 18 permutation 4. So 25 permutation 3 is 25 factorial over 25 minus 3 factorial. There again, 18 factorial divided by 18 minus 4 factorial. So 25 factorial over 20 what? 2 factorial. So 18 factorial over 14 factorial. So what is next? We expand this until we see this one. So 25, 24, 23, 22 over 22 factorial. Don't forget the factorial, please. So 18 times 17, 16, 15, 14 factorial over 14 factorial. So this goes with this goes with this. Yeah, so now we have 25, 24, 23. 25 times 24 times 23. So we have 13,800. 13,800 minus 18 to 15. 18 times 17 times 16 times 15. 73,400. 73,440. Okay. So now if we want to take away this 13,800, so we have 59,640. So this is what we have for the 13th lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in my next video.